So I bought a van and it doesn't work already. I was recovered from motorway on the way home. That thing might be responsible. Maybe that's just a connector that needs to be cleaned, but not the most important problem. I'm gonna start with something small. I have a door handle to replace. I have that strange security thing. I have to remove that. I don't think I'm gonna use these again. Those two holes are leading to bolts that are holding that metal plate. I made it. Rescuing the screwdriver.
Go first.
Handle.